Hello friends, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a look at gold. Starting with the monthly time frame, I'm not going to wipe my charts because I've got some basic key levels we want to watch. On the monthly time frame, this is starting to look like a little bit of a monthly bull flag, and that has me excited for the possibility of a longer term, multi-month uptrend. I'm just excited. It's all speculation, of course, at this point, but if that comes, I'm going to be ready for it. Somewhat similar to this action that we see down here. Multiple months of consolidation, big breakout. Now we're seeing multiple months of consolidation again. Are we going to get the same sort of follow through? I'd like to think so. We'll see what happens, and we'll be certainly following along here at TheChartGuys. Monthly key levels for us to watch: 1454 and 1445. And finally, 1430 is going to be an important weekly level. We'll take a look at that now. On the weekly time frame, we can see how we've been establishing what we thought was going to become a weekly bear flag. Now we got a little bit too extended, and I think we've negated it with last week's big bull move. We're going to see if we get any good follow through on that. We have not seen a downside execution of this bear flag, and that's exactly what you would want to see if you are in a consolidation pattern on a larger time frame. If we saw big moves to the downside on this weekly move for the bull flag, that would negate that monthly bull flag. I think I've got those confused. If we didn't see downside moves on this weekly bear flag, that would indicate to us that there is going to be upside potential in the other direction, which of course is going to be an execution of the monthly bull flag. Hopefully that made sense. Anyway, let's take a look at the weekly time frame support: 1454, 1445, same as we mentioned before. And we're going to go ahead and remove that weekly level. What we want to see is, can bulls get a new high over last week to really lock in that negation of that pattern and look for more upside movement, and then we will see what happens there. It's all about that monthly lack of follow through to the downside so far. On the daily time frame, we're going to be treating this as a daily uptrend because we just want to focus on the most recent price action. We've established a weekly higher low, or I should say daily higher low, getting into the swing of things here, guys. 1458 is an important daily level, and we've recently established a new high. We want to see if we're going to get good follow through off of yesterday's candlestick after today's indecision consolidation to break to a new high. So that ultimately, I would like us to see us get over top of 1486.783. A couple hours left in this candlestick here, and ultimately a complete indecision candlestick. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can see that lack of decision-making ability here. So far, bulls control the trend on the 15-minute time frame, but hourly is at risk of turning into a head and shoulders here with this pop, higher high, and possibly lower high. And then just a continuation of this overall choppy move and this daily uptrend. Thanks for watching. We'll check in tomorrow.